subscribe to Rocking Ria and Monu channel. Today we are learning national symbols. Our national animal tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Our national bird peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Our national flower lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Our national fruit mango. Mango is our national fruit. Our national tree is banyan tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. Our national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Our national flag Tiranga. Tiranga is our national flag. Our national currency Indian rupee. Indian rupee is our national currency. Our national game is hockey. Hockey is our national game. Our national aquatic animal river dolphin.